Splice method mutates the original array by removing or replacing existing elements and/or adding new elements in place. Let me demonstrate how Splice method works. First of all, we have an array with 4 coins. Now I call Splice method on this array of coins. First, I pass the index where I am going to do further actions. In this demonstration, I will use index 1. Then, I tell how many coins I am going to remove. Let's remove 3 coins. Finally, every other argument that I am going to pass will be added to our array. Let's add 2 coins. And that is how Splice method works. Let's examine a code example. First of all, we need an array. In this example, I will use an array with 3 names: Jim, Dwight, and Pam. The first argument that you must pass to this function is index, where you want to mutate the array. I have selected the first index, which is Dwight. The second argument that you can optionally pass is the number of items that you want to remove from the array. In this example, I have selected 2 items to be deleted. It means that we will remove Dwim and Pam from the array. Finally, we can pass as many more arguments as we want. All arguments that we will pass now will be added to our array. In our example, I will pass 2 more items, Michael and Kevin. Our array will start at index 1, deletes 2 names, Dwight and Pam, and finally adds 2 more names, Michael and Kevin. In the console, you can see the result of our Splice method. It prints out Dwight and Pam because Splice method returns items that were removed from the array. Finally, the last console log prints out our mutated array, which now no longer has Dwight and Pam, and instead it has Michael and Kevin. You should use Splice method whenever you want to either add or remove items from array at a specific index.